Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. So today I wanted to create this smoky brown eyeshadow look with the brown lip. I thought it would be perfect for the fall weather. And I also went and got me a little brown fall backdrop, which I'm really liking for this video. It's just setting the tone. So yes, if you guys would like to see how I achieve this video, then please keep on watching. Okay, so of course I'm going to start off with priming my eyes. I'm going to be taking this Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to conceal my eyes. I'm going to go into the Nightingale Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow palette, which looks like this. And I'm going to be taking this brown shade right here, and I'm going to be putting this in my crease and also as my transition. But I'm going to be doing it very lightly. Now I'm going to dip into this shade right here called Hide and Seek. This is a really light shade. I'm just going to dip into that just to soften out this brown a little bit. And I'm making sure to tap off the excess. Yes.
How far is
Get all those boogers out of your nose. It says 4 minutes.
Man. Alright, just 7 minutes outside.
Alright. Next, I'm going to go to this darker brown right here. This is in the shade Swoop. And I'm going to be taking this flat brush to go ahead and put that on my lid. Now I'm going to take this Morphe M412 brush, and I'm going to take the same brown shade, Swoop, and I'm going to go ahead and apply that in my crease as well. Okay, so now that we're done with the eyes, we're going to go ahead and move on to the face. For primer, I'm going to be taking the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. For foundation, I'm going to be trying out the Fenty, I think it's called the Pro Filter Foundation. I'm not sure the whole name of it because I have a sample. I got a sample from Sephora, and I'm going to be taking the shade 430, and I hope that this is the right shade. I'm going to go ahead and blend that foundation out with the damp beauty sponge. For concealer, I'm going to be taking my Tarte Shape Tape to conceal underneath my eyes and all the other areas that I normally conceal. And I'm going to go ahead and blend that out with the damp beauty sponge. Now I'm going to go ahead and set that concealer with my Black Radiance True Complexion powder. And where is the powder? This powder right here in the shade Banana. Now I'm going to contour using my Black Radiance True Complexion contour palette. And I'm going to be taking this shade and this shade, and I'm going to mix these two together to contour. Now I'm going to go ahead and wipe away this powder. Now I'm going to move on to the bottom of my eye, and I'm going to be taking this Morphe M431 pencil brush, and I'm going to take the shade Flip Out, which is the lighter brown in the palette, and I'm also going to mix it in with Swoop, the darker shade in the palette, and I'm going to put that under my lower lash line. Now I'm going to take this Morphe M506, which is the smaller blending brush, and I'm going to take the shade Hide and Seek, this light shade. I'm just going to sweep that underneath my eye, just to make sure that there's no harsh lines. Moving on to the eyes, I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara. And of course, I'm going to be wearing false lashes. I feel like false lashes really complete a makeup look. Like, once I put my lashes on, then I'm like, okay, everything is starting to come together. But if you don't like lashes, that's up to you. I love lashes, so I'm always going to put them on whenever I'm doing a look, because like I said, it just pulls it all together, for me at least. And while my lashes are drying, I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara to my bottom lashes. Once my lashes dry, I'll be right back. I'm going to go ahead and apply my lashes off camera, then I'll be back, and then we'll do lips. For lips, I'm going to be taking the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade Protector, which is this very, very dark brown shade. I thought it would go perfectly with this brown eyeshadow. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this makeup look. I really did enjoy it. I really liked the way it came out. Definitely very fall makeup look. So if you guys enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below. Just comment anything to let me know that you guys watched the video, and I will see you guys in the next one.